Hi, my name is Thomas Hoy, and I'm the owner of pennystock88.org. The purpose of this video just do an update to let you see I'm recording live, and you will see that it's today's date. Alright, and okay, this is usatoday.com. The date is now 8th of July 2012, and time is 10:26 AM ET. Alright, I'm using my Google AdWords account to show you that the keyword penny stock 88 ranking position from the google.com English location United States. Alright, let me click a preview. Okay, now we are doing a search for penny stock 88, and from the location US google.com, and you can see that alright, my website pennystock88.org is ranked for number 1 position. Alright, number 1 position for a keyword penny stock 88. You can see there are tons of Google AdWords advertisement here. So you know that this penny stock 88 can have quite a high competition for the ads, and alright, okay. Okay, so once again, the purpose of this video is to prove that my website pennystock88.org is ranked for number 1 position for the keyword penny stock 88. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.